Hey guys, it's Kugli again with another ROM review, and this time I've got the MSM Extended ROM for the OnePlus 3. Oh, it's been a long time coming, so stay tuned for that. So guys, MSM Extended ROM is, well, if you know OnePlus 3 ROMs, it's one of the best ROMs available for the OnePlus 3. It has a lot of features and of course, it's one of my favorites. So let's get started without further ado. First of all, what you would see here is ambient display is available with hand wave, pocket mode and all the jazz, so that's pretty cool. It's actually using Air launcher, so you will probably find a lot of options here, but personally, I like the quick step standalone launcher rather than the launcher one. Let's go to the settings menu. In the settings menu, in the about phone page, you can see Xtended, the custom ROM, so that's basically what it is. About Xtended, you can see what all are available, who are all the development team. All of that can be customized or checked out from here. There is also a changelog option where you can find that. I'm using the 11th May version, which is the latest one as of now. Android version is of course version 9.0. May security patches. Kernel version is 1318139, which is Mac Kernel Reborn, which is one of the better kernels available for our device. Build date, as you can see, is May 11th. SNL status is enforcing if you want to know about that stuff, so that's pretty cool. It also has an updater which is in build. OTA is available. As you can see, it is XP7, that is the latest version as of now. Let's get started with the ROM. MSM Extended is one of those ROM which I have taken on my travels and I have been very happy with it. As much of a fan I am for Havoc ROM, MSM Extended is more of a daily driver than Havoc. I mean, Havoc has a ton of features. This one also has a ton of features, but this one still feels slightly more, well, let's just say usable. Now everything is working, VLD is working, charging works, dash charging, everything is working, camera works, which has strangely been an issue for later ROMs now. In that regard, everything is basically working. Some people have been having issues with APN settings, but manually enabling them has worked out. I'm even using an ADS DNS server, so it works really well. As you can see, settings menu is twin columned, which is an option available. I used to love this option back in Nougat days. In the extension settings is where you will find most of the extra stuff. So first of all, it's OnePlus shit, in that you have shitty slider. Either slider can be used for a lot of things. So as of now, I'm using it for flashlight, that is bottom will be flashing. That's pretty cool. I really like that. You can customize that. It's pretty nice. Direct sound enhancer is available for those who wants to use that. Personally, I don't care too much into that. OnePlus gestures are available, which is screen up gestures. It has a kernel profile for battery saving or performance mode. Personally, I have not tried other profiles. I have done all my tests using balance profile. Personally, I would keep my phone on balance because battery and ultra battery saving profile usually means that you lose a lot of performance and you lose a lot of the smoothness which you use with the ROM. So brightness slider strength can be customized from here. So as you can see, 75 is normal. Display calibration is available and it is amazing. You can bump up the brightness, saturation. It also has a preset available, which is really cool, and I really like this one. It is much more impressive than the options which are available in many other ROMs, which is like OnePlus adaptive mode and all that. It is really cool. It gives you all the sliders and it just works amazingly well. I'm really happy with that. Panel mode is also available for those who want the old style option, so yeah, you're not going to miss out. High brightness mode is also available, which is pretty cool. In the animation option, you do have AKP animation options, which is normal stuff, UX animation, default animation for screen off, all that can be customized. In the button options, you do have volume button customization, which is the full bevy of options. You have music control, you have keyboard cursor control, audio panel can be customized, what else can be enabled on the left, all that is available. Timeout can be customized. In the hardware keys, you can disable hardware keys if you plan on using navigation button. Accidental touch swap keys is available. All of that can be customized. Back button, home button and overview button can be customized for all of these action, which is the normal AUSP style options, which is really cool. Now in the decor room, you have a lot of options. This ROM is mainly about the decor. System themes are available, which is the Omni style theme engine, which does work out really well. You have all of these primary colors, which is really nice. Notification can be customized on these colors also. As of now, I'm using the 00 theme. You can customize this one. I would actually rate this on the same level as maybe a Havoc ROM of having the customization. Omni ROM is really good with the theming engine, which is really amazing. Dashboard icon can also be customized. You can have it round, you can have it Oreo, you can have it as an Oreo extended. Quick setting tile style is also available where you can customize it from any of these options. I'm using Oreo with square curl. which does work out. Header style can also be customized, which is this portion here. You can have it black, gray, light gray. Quick setting header can also be customized. It does have a few options there. Battery bar is available where you can customize that. Battery style is available. I'm actually using Q style battery, which is really cool. Battery percentage can be inside the icon, left of the icon, right of the icon. Now one option which I have been seeing in all the MSM extended ROM is the custom charging symbol. It just doesn't work. I haven't had this working in any of the releases. Not sure if it's working. I mean, it's not working in this one either, so just keep that in mind. Carrier label settings are available. Status bar logo can be enabled. In the gesture option, you do have a USB gestures, which is double tap the power button to jump to camera, swipe up a home button if you plan on using the nav bar. You can get the pixel style pill nav bar, which is pretty nice. Gesture anywhere is available, which was one of my favorite features. It just works, and I'm really happy with that. Carbon gesture also available, which is really cool. You can use multiple fingers on the screen anywhere to launch whatever you want, and it just works really well. Edge gestures are available if you're coming from MIUI. MP navigation gesture is also available if you are wondering about that. It also has the swipe trigger height and swipe trigger timeout if you want to customize that. Apart from that, pie controls are available, which is really cool. Swipe to screenshot is available, but again, it will scroll the screen when you try to screenshot that. So double tap to sleep on lock screen and status bar can be enabled from here, which is pretty cool. Screen off power button torch is available and with automatic turn off. In the lock screen options, you do have a few options here. You can customize the lock screen bottom shortcuts, hide bottom shortcut if you don't want to, shortcuts in the middle of the page. Lost screen weather is also available, which is really cool. This is the Omni Jaw setting. I personally like this option better because it will show you the city name, temperature and condition image on a separate line rather than the Zen option, which is available with maybe pixelized ROMs. Weather service, you can customize what all appears here. The last stream weather font and all that can be customized. All of these are available, which is really cool. For example, if you select road rage, you can see that temperature gauge is now road rage. So yeah, there is a lot of things here. Icon pack can be customized if you want to customize that. In the lock screen UI, you do have clock style. I have selected Sammy because I just liked it. You do have Android Q style, text clock, Sammy with accents, analog, all of that is available, which you can customize. All of these are available. You can even change the sizes of all of it. Font can also be customized for that. Lost in colors are available where you can customize the color of each and every element of it. Clock widget can be disabled out and out if you don't want that. Height status bar is available, height bottom text is available, all of that can be customized from here. Charging info, all of these options can be customized. It does have face auto unlock if for those who want to use the Google face unlock feature. Visualization is available with lava lamp. Now in the smart nav option, you do have navigation modes. You can enable any of these one, which does work out really well. In the notification option, you do have heads up display. You can customize that. You have a timeout and snooze timer for that. Dialer heads up can also be enabled so that it only uses heads up display for dialer options and not any other notification. Notification light and battery charging light is available. Battery charging light also has the blend color option, which does work out really well. I'm really a huge fan of that. It transitions from one color to the other without any abrupt changes, which is really cool. Post expand notification, disable notification mode messages. Call notification options are available. Toast menu is available. You can customize that, which does work out. In the power menu, you have customization for what all appears here. You can also have the opacity and the amount and all that can be customized. You can enable advanced restart from here. In the quick setting option, you can customize how it looks. You can also change the opacity of it. The rows, the columns, all that can be customized. Tiles can be enabled, small tiles can be enabled. These are all the options which are available. I have enabled all of this one, and it also comes with all of these options. It does have screen stabilization, compass, gaming mode, all of that is available, which is really cool. Now brightness slider can be above the quick setting icons or below it. A brightness icon can be enabled for the adaptive brightness toggle. Brightness buttons for increasing or decreasing it. On the bottom, all of that can be enabled or disabled, which is really cool to have. Battery status on status bar. Vibrate on touch, running services can be enabled. One thing which you need to keep in mind is you have to disable it to have it enabled in the status bar, which is work of this ROM. So recent menu, you do have status bar styles or recent style available. You can have quick step, which I'm using. Oreo grid and Android Go is also available for those who like it, so it's pretty cool. Icon pack can be customized, recent styles can be customized if you are using the Oreo style buttons. In the status bar settings, network traffic indicator is available. You can customize that, which is really cool to have. Old mobile type style is available. I like that. Sticker animations are available because I'm using the heads up only for dialer. I can actually use sticker and it does work out really well. VOLT icon, as you can see, is a very interesting icon. I really like that. Apart from that, notification count can be enabled, disabled. kill app button is available, which is pretty cool. Breathing, SMS, missed call and voicemail icon on the status bar, all of that is available, which is really nice to have. And the system settings, you do have smart pixel, which does work out. It essentially cuts the number of pixels active. Wake lock blocker is available, and alarm blocker is also available. Privacy guard is available if you want to micromanage the permissions of each and every application. Suspend action is available if you want to get a little bit more juice when the screen is off. Those settings are available, which you can customize, but don't tinker around with it. Aggressive battery is available, and you can enable that if you want a little bit better idle range. Sensor block per package, another battery saving feature, and all that is available in here. And the extra options, you do have system app remover if you want to remove anything. App circle bar is available, which has been a thing of the past. Screenshot type can be customized if you want to customize in that regard. Allow signature spoofing is available for the applications which actually use it. Dashboard conditions and use column layout. This is the version where you have columned settings option. I really like that. Rounded corners is also available if you want to have a very substantial round for it. Customize that. And also the status bar padding can also be customized, which is really nice to see. And that is it in the extension settings, and as you can see, it's a lot. I mean, there are a lot of options. There are a lot of unique options when it comes to styling of lock screen and all that, which is really nice. So I'm really happy with that. In the other options, in the display options, you do have night light, which is really cool. Screen stabilization can be enabled from here, and you can customize that, but don't mess around with it. Extended ambient display is available, where you have ambient auto brightness. Show while charging, ambient music ticker can be enabled. New notification, pocket mode and hand wave sensor can be enabled from here, which does work out. It does have a font manager. As you can see, I am using a custom font, which is called Doses, which is, I like it. Now, font size and display size can be customized as in any other ROM, so it's pretty cool. Something which I do want to mention, I am running non-encrypted, so yeah, keep that in mind. And there you have it, guys. That is basically it about the ROM. All the features are here. I mean, the features available in this ROM is pretty unique. There are a lot of ROMs which claim to have unique feature set, but I mean, come on, it doesn't get more unique than this one. It's really top notch in terms of features. Now the battery life of the ROM. The battery life of the ROM is something which I've been struggling with on this one, honestly. I'm getting about maybe 12% of active drain, and sometimes it also even goes up to 16%, which is not the best battery life for active drain. Idle drain is pretty good. I'm getting about 1.17, which is okay. I can live with that. So yeah, I mean, that's basically what I've been getting with the battery life. Not the best battery life as of now, but as I've already said, there are presets for it. You can get better battery life at a loss of performance and a loss of slight usability. Now the performance of the ROM. As I've already said, I'm using the balanced profile. The performance is not the best. I'm getting about 147,000. I have been getting 147,000 for the multiple runs which I've done with this one, so I'm going to believe that it tries to be a little conservative when it comes to performance. So you do have gaming profile and performance profile, which may get you a better score. Not the best performance score which I got. Now the stability of the ROM. The ROM is pretty stable. I've been using this for about 3 days now. In the meantime, I didn't have any complaints. It just works. It just worked as it should. So stability wise, it's pretty damn awesome. There is no issues with this in that regard. So now the camera. The camera is actually a lineage camera, whatever you want to call those. It works. It does have a lot of options. It takes pretty decent pictures, and I'm really happy with that. It's a basic camera application. What more do you want? You can actually use Gcam and it should work really well. Now the theme or the interface. Aesthetically, it's a great ROM. As I've already said, it is one of the better theming engines available for this device. I really like it. You have a ton of options when it comes to accents, for the background, for the shade of it, everything is there. Even the status bar or notification options, you can customize it. I mean, it's really great. I really like that. Now the overall experience of this ROM. Well, the overall experience is pretty damn amazing. I love MSM Xtended ROM. It has been in my go-to daily driver whenever I wanted a very full-featured ROM on the OnePlus 3. It has always been that, and it is still one of those ROMs where I just instinctively reach out to get my phone running again. It has been working really well. I just like it. It just works. I'm really happy with that. One thing which I do want to mention is that it does have a call recording, which is really cool. I really look forward to that. And also proximity scanner or proximity speakerphone. These are two features which I absolutely love in a custom ROM. Overall experience, it's a gem of a ROM for the OnePlus 3. And let me show you guys the boot animation, which is pretty cool. So here is the boot animation for MSM Xtended, which is pretty damn impressive, right? I mean, it's a very good boot animation. It works. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. It's minimal, it shows what it is, and it's a bit sporadic, but it's okay. So there you have it, guys. That is the MSM Extended ROM for the OnePlus 3. One of the best ROMs available for the OnePlus 3 in terms of features, in terms of stability, battery life and performance. I can get a better job with that, but again, there are profiles, you can customize that. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.